Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to show you two powerful ways to create stunning gradient effects in Adobe Photoshop, ranging from a quick selection method to a professional non-destructive workflow. Whether you are designing backgrounds or adding depth to your graphics, these techniques are essential for every creator's toolkit. If this video helps you master your design workflow, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tutorials. Let's jump right in. Method 1 is using the classic gradient tool, perfect for quick adjustments. First, ensure your document is open in Photoshop. Navigate to the toolbar on your left and select the gradient tool, or simply press the G key on your keyboard. Once selected, look at the top options bar. You will see a gradient preview window. Click on this to open the gradient editor, where you can pick your colors, stops, and transitions. Once you have chosen your colors, click and drag your cursor across your canvas. You can drag left to right, diagonally, or from top to bottom, depending on the look you want. The specific distance and direction you move your mouse will determine how the gradient transitions across the image. Release the mouse button to apply it. If you do not like the result, just drag again to overwrite it. Now, for those who need a professional and flexible workflow, let's talk about the gradient fill layer method. This approach is non-destructive, meaning you can come back and edit your colors at any time without losing your original artwork. To get started, go to the top menu and select Layer, then hover over New Fill Layer, and finally click on Gradient. A dialog box will appear. Click OK to continue. This will create a dedicated layer where you can customize your colors and style in real time. Inside the Settings panel, you can adjust the angle, which changes the direction of the gradient flow, and the scale, which determines how gradual or sharp the color transition is. This gives you total control over the visual impact of your design. Once you are satisfied with the look, click OK to commit the changes. Because this is a fill layer, you can double-click the layer icon at any time to reopen these settings and tweak the appearance even after you have finished other parts of your project. This is the absolute best way to work if you want to maintain high quality and editability. I hope these methods save you a lot of time on your next design project. If these tips helped you level up your skills, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more regular content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.